Hi, Andy here from Andy's Tech Tutorials. In this video I'm going to introduce you to 8 of my favourite keyboard shortcuts on the Mac. Now I use keyboard shortcuts as often as I can because they're the greatest way to ensure you become faster and more efficient when using your computer. So here let me introduce you to 8 of my favourite Mac keyboard shortcuts that are guaranteed to save you a lot of time and effort. Keyboard shortcut number 1, Command and Spacebar. So if I press the Command key and the Spacebar together, you'll see it allows me to run a search using the Spotlight search facility. Here I've already ran a search for Microsoft Word previously, and it brings up the option to view the app and load the app, any searches for the internet for the term Microsoft Word, and it gives you some related searches, or you can find some documents that you maybe want to open from here. So it's as simple as basically entering your search term, and it will find files or apps on your computer related to that particular search term. Number 2, Command and Q. So if you have an app currently launched, let's say for example I've got this Microsoft Word document here, all I need to do is press the Command key and the Q key together, and it will close that app down completely. Of course, if it's an app like Microsoft Word where perhaps you've made changes to the document but haven't yet saved, it will prompt you to save before you close it down. But it's a really nice way of quickly closing any apps that you have running by pressing the Command key and the Q key together. Keyboard shortcut number 3. Now I like to use this one to quickly load any apps that I have open, but it only works if you've got the app either on the desktop at that moment in time, or if you've opened the app or the window in full screen mode. So you'll see here if I move to the side, I have Microsoft Word and Excel opened in full screen mode. If I jump back to the desktop by pressing the Command key and Tab, you'll see if I keep pressing them together, I'm able to cycle through by tapping the Tab key whilst holding Command, cycle through the different apps. When I stop on an app and release, you'll see it jumps to that app. If I go along to Microsoft Word by using the Tab key whilst holding Command, let go of the Tab, let go of Command, and you'll see we now have Microsoft Word. So Command and Tab together will allow you to toggle between the apps which you currently have open, but only if they are in full screen mode or displayed on the desktop. Keyboard shortcut number 4. If you're somebody who likes to take screenshots of your desktop or any applications you're running, all you have to do is press Command, Shift and number 3, and it will take a screenshot for you, as you can see in the bottom corner. Now if you click on this screenshot, you have options to do some editing to it. You can draw on it, you can change the colour, change the properties, and of course you can save it from here. If you click on the Done button, it will save it onto your desktop. Keyboard shortcut number 5, using Command and H together to hide the current app or window you have open. Now this one only works if the app or the window isn't open in full screen mode. So basically you'll see here I've got it in a smaller display. All I need to do is press Command and H and it will minimize it. It's not closing the app, we can open the app back up, it just minimizes it. And this works really well if you're viewing something in a public place, perhaps your bank details or something personal, and you don't want people to see as they walk by. You can press Command and H and minimize that view. Keyboard shortcut number 6, quickly enter the lock screen. Perfect if you perhaps are somewhere where you want to just lock your screen and move away for a few minutes and come back to the computer. All you have to do is press the Command key, the Control key and the Q key together. Command, Control and Q, and it will enter the lock screen for your computer. Keyboard shortcut number 7, preview a file or multiple files quickly using a click and spacebar method. So you'll see here I've got 7 different files here. Normally I would double click on them, open up and preview and view them, but here I can click on one file, press spacebar, and you'll see it really quickly opens it to allow me to see it. If I select multiple files, so here I'm just holding the Shift key and selecting from the first down to the 5th. If I press the spacebar key now, you'll see I can move through those selected images. So it's just showing me the 5 of the 7 there that I had selected once I pressed the spacebar. So to preview a file or files, make sure you click on the file or the files and press spacebar. Keyboard shortcut number 8. This one allows you to quickly move a selected file or files to your trash can. You'll see I've got a document here which I know I want to move into the trash can. Instead of dragging it there or right clicking and going down to move to bin, all I need to do is click on it and use Command and the delete key or the backspace key, and there it is, moved down into our trash can. So there you have it, 8 of my favourite Mac keyboard shortcuts. These are definitely worth learning, as are all other keyboard shortcuts, because they will ensure that you become more efficient when using your Mac. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please do give it a like or comment below with some of your favourite keyboard shortcuts to share with other people. As always, I would love for you to subscribe to the channel, so make sure you click that subscribe button and click on the bell if you want to be notified about any future videos I'll be releasing to this channel. But thanks for watching.